Welcome to Foto-Pod Adventures, where we take our love of photography, our pods, and adventure, and show the world. We invite you to like and subscribe to our channel as we show you our latest adventures. Get outside and have your own adventure.
So here we are again. I don't know how many trips we've done. Last weekend we were home, weren't we?
Yes.
Yeah, so this weekend we're at one of our favorite places. It's only about 40 minutes from the house. It's the Paddy Creek Wilderness. We're boondocking. That means no shore power, no water, no sewer. But I filled up our freshwater tank, 30 gallons of fresh water. We have propane. We have 2 bottles of propane. I brought our generator. And when we got here, I don't think our inverter's bad. I think our battery's bad. So I put my trolling motor battery on it and it worked fine. So I can't leave it on there going home to see if it's charging because it's too big for the box, but I'm going to take the old one to O'Reilly's and have them test it. Kathy's already chilling.
Yeah, great.
It's quiet here.
So quiet.
We got our gazebo up.
Because I need to fix some things on it. But
Yeah, there's a couple little holes in it. This one's not as good as the clam.
we don't think it is. We don't know, but we've just, it tears easy. So, but we just, might just use fishing line and basically sew it up. And it's been good. And I like it because it has the panels on it. So if it gets cold, we can put those panels on. But it's so quiet here. Turned everything off and we're going to have the screens open, which we've never done. The
window's open. Yep. We're going to try the bathroom fan. Everybody says you turn it on and it sucks air through the camper, so we're going to try that tonight.
We're going to see, but it's peaceful. No service, no phone service. Of course, no Wi-Fi. We're just kind of like in the middle of the woods.
Campground right over there too. And if I turn around way down the road there, you can see some campers. Don't know what we're going to do this evening. I'd like to get the camera out and take some pictures. I've taken a lot of pictures down here, both fall, spring, summer, winter. So, but it's one of those places I keep coming back to because I like to take pictures here. I think I'll take my drone up and fly over our camp and see what it looks like from the air. Piper, where are you going? Well, we're going for our evening walk. There's nobody camping anywhere.
Nobody here.
We got to go quite a ways to the end of the campground before we run into anybody. So, but it is Friday evening.
It's Friday the 13th.
Full moon too.
Full moon.
I brought my camera gear. See what I can find.
So nice
Piper's enjoying it.
Our pod that's small, I'd have to pull it down here. Because you can't get a lot of bigger trailers in here, so the R pod is just the right size for us to do this kind of stuff, boondock and go places you can't go with. Almost like tent camping, but with the R pod, so it's so much better.
So much more comfortable.
Yeah.
Kathy's looking for wood to make a fire tonight. So what you got?
Right here. This will make a fire.
I don't think so. I think we need more.
Oh, yeah, come get this big piece. Yeah, we find this and then find trees.
Yeah, big trees.
So I think I'll carry this.
Well, it's evening time. We have our generator going and we're just getting ready. I think we're going to read books tonight. It's still kind of early, but it's dark outside. We have our refrigerator on propane, even though we're running the generator. And we have a full battery. I don't think it's my inverter now. I think my battery was bad. So we'll find out. Maybe tomorrow we'll test it. Anyway, Piper, are you ready to go to bed? She sleeps underneath our bed. And Kathy, what was the mattress we got?
Zenith, I think.
Zenith or Zenith or something.
Yeah.
We just absolutely love it. We like it better than our home bed. But we left our old mattress on there and just put this mattress on top, so that's why it looks so thick back there. So, I may get up and take pictures in the morning. I'm probably going to look out. Probably won't be able to tell, so I'll just go and see what happens. So Piper and I are up early, a little before sunrise. I was going to hike to a bluff, but then I thought there wasn't a cloud in the sky this morning, so I'm going to go down here a little ways and take my drone up and see what I can see. I could fly over to the bluff, so I'm going to find a place where I can fly. It's a little dewy this morning. Okay, so sun's not up yet. It takes a while to reach down here in the valley. There's some flowers over there that kind of caught my eye, so I might try to take pictures of that. And I want to show you something though. I brought my backpacker's tripod and I have my big 70 to 200 lens on there. It always looks a little shaky. I just brought it because of weight. It's a lightweight tripod, but you have to be real careful when using it. So it seems like the breeze is picking up a little bit, so I'll have to watch my shutter speed. Well, I went to take pictures again. It wasn't a great morning for pictures. I made a lot of mistakes today. And again, it seems like a theme this year for my photography. Sunrise, not a cloud in the sky, so I had to work. I took some pictures. You can't go out like these guys who just pick and choose when they go out. I can't. I have a job, so I have to go out when I go out and work for the best. And they're making me some coffee. Well, I thought she was in there.
Oh yeah.
She's doing something else. Generator. We put our panels up on our gazebo. It's kind of nice in there. Makes for a nice place to store stuff, eat, and get out of the sun if it's hot, or get out of the wind if it's windy. Time for a little breakfast. I love our little Coleman stove. It's got a little griddle that I put on there. Can't make a lot of bacon all at once, but it works out good. Beautiful morning. I think we're going to drive up the hill and call our daughter, see if they're going to come down today. They got a new puppy, see if the puppy likes water. And then we're going to try to find this other trail today. So Kathy and I are just driving around, exploring, looking for new sights, new stuff to see, and there's a boat ramp right here. That's a nice boat ramp too. They got grooves in it. And we're on the Big Piney. And Piper's in the water already. Oh, there goes a crane up that way. This looks like it'd be a good place to fish. Nice fast water down that way. Looks like it'd be a good place to go up that way too. Good morning. It's Sunday morning. We're going to get ready to clean up and start heading home. I want to show you a few things. We are boondocking. I do have a generator that we used, but we found out it may not be our inverter that's bad, but the actual battery. I brought my trolling motor battery. I don't know if you can see it down there, but it doesn't fit in the box. So I'm going to, I don't know how old that battery is, but I'm going to probably buy a bigger box and just mount it on there. But had pancakes for supper this morning. I love our little Coleman barbecue. It has a barbecue grate that Piper's cleaning for us, and a griddle. So we had delicious pancakes this morning. We put all the panels on our gazebo, which was nice. We had some noisy neighbors, but this is a great place to come boondock. It's got asphalt pullbacks. There's trees in between each site, but they were kind of noisy. So I'll show you. Kathy's inside cleaning house already. And I had our generator right there at the end of the cord. I always bring, and there's the battery that I think it's 2 years old. It didn't last. It was kind of little, so I'm going to change out battery boxes. Had our fire here last night. It was a gorgeous weekend. So I'm going to set up the camera and do a time lapse of us tearing down camp.